777X. The 777X is supposed to fly in 2020. It already started production this year in 2017. It already has orders for 7 airlines: ANA, Cathay Pacific, Emirates, Etihad Airways, Lufthansa, Qatar Airways, and Singapore Airlines. The list price for this plane is anywhere between $360 million to $400 million. On the 777-9X, the max range is 8,700 miles. However, on the 777-8X, the max range is 10,000 miles. 10,000 miles? Imagine where you could go in 10,000 miles. I could fly to Mars. Actually, I couldn't fly to Mars, but still. The length on the 777-8 is 229 feet. However, on the -9, it is 252 feet. So it is 23 feet longer than the -8. Because that's how math works! The tip of the wing also comes up for extra room, and it saves an extra 23 feet. Some other improvements include a bigger and wider cabin, bigger windows, and new lighting.